y'all. So thanks for waiting for me to post. I know it's been a while, but as y'all can see, I did get some Recaros. They look cute. I've been trying to catch up on a lot of things. It's been crazy, but we're here, right? So we're gonna finally install the R1 Concepts brakes and rotors. I know it's been a while. It's been like a month since they sent them, but shout out to R1 Concepts for being so patient with me. And I was also able to paint the calipers from DC5CREATIONS. They look so good, guys. Oh my god, I'm really happy with it. But yeah, so let's get to it. And yeah, so these are for the front, these are for the rear. Got the brake pads and then the calipers. Got the calipers, look nice. Okay, these are really nice. Painted them this morning. As you can see, I think this is really cool. It says DC5CREATIONS. calipers look 10 out of 10. I think the whole setup kind of just gave my car a better feel because it looks good, it feels good. What more can I ask for? Definitely something I want to do now is, like, I know everyone keeps telling me like your wheels next, blah, blah, blah. I know it would look so clean like that, but I love my wheels. Honestly, the size was perfect. They are 17-inch, so they cleared really well, really well. I don't want to deal with like spacers and all that, and I don't know, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I know I haven't been posting much, but we'll get there. Okay, bye.